Hello everyone and welcome back to Trading Technicals. In today's episode we're going to be discussing triangle formations in terms of the three different triangles that you get, how to set them up, and how to use them for price targets. Alright, so the first type of triangle formation that we're going to be discussing is the symmetrical triangle. Now, the symmetrical triangle is formed between an increasing support and a decreasing resistance, which is roughly symmetrical around a horizontal axis. Now, the general rule of thumb with a symmetrical triangle is that the direction of the share price movement into the triangle is usually the target out of the triangle. So as you can see, the share price in this example was moving upward into the triangle, which means that there was a bullish target, but the confirmation needs to be confirmed. Likewise, if the share price momentum is decreasing into the triangle formation, the target will generally be bearish, but the breakout needs to be confirmed. Okay, so now for the symmetrical triangle target methods. Firstly, there are two target methods. The one we're going to be covering now is the parallel line method. Now how this works is, you place a line parallel to the trend line opposite the breakout. So in this case, we had bearish share price movement moving into the triangle. So our target was a bearish target. So we go opposite the support and we place a parallel line parallel to the resistance. Now we take this parallel line and we place it at the starting point of the breakout trend line, in this case the support. So we place it here. Then we take a line vertically down from the breakout, and where it intersects this parallel line, this is your target. Alright, so now for an example of this. Alright, so now as you can see in this example, the share price was moving down into the triangle. The share price moved between the support and the resistance, and at this point we had the share price breakout. The target method was the parallel line method, and we put a line parallel to the resistance at the starting point of the support, and we dropped the vertical line down from the breakout, and where it intersected this parallel line, our price target was set, and as you can see, the target was reached. Alright, so now for the second symmetrical triangle target method. This is the triangle height method. Now, how this works is, starting at the trend line that has the furthest right starting point, so in this case it is the resistance. From this point, take a line vertically down until it intersects the opposing trend line. So we went from the resistance, moved down to the support, and take this distance and either add or subtract this from the breakout point. Since the share price was moving down into this triangle and the breakout was a break through the support, this distance was subtracted from the support to get the target. Alright, so now for an example of this. Alright, so now for the second target method, the triangle height method. So as before, you can see the share price was moving down into the triangle formation, so the target was bearish. At this point we had the breakout, which confirmed the target level. Now, the target level was attained by starting at the trend line that started at the furthest right. So as you can see, it was this one. We took a line vertically up until it intersected into the resistance. We took this distance and subtracted it from the breakout to get to the target. Now, just to add to your trade confidence, using previous videos, you could also use your stochastic indicator to see that at this point there was a bearish crossover. So at the point at which that the share price broke through the support, the bearish cross had already confirmed itself, which would have added your confidence into the trade. Now, what's advantageous about knowing both of these methods is that they usually have different price targets, which is nice, so then you can establish a target range when using a symmetrical triangle. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video on the symmetrical triangle. I think just to keep the video short, I'm going to be splitting them up into a 3-part series. So the next one that we will be discussing is the descending triangle, and after that the ascending triangle. As always, you can follow me at TechTraderJSE, and also you can pick up the mobile application on Google Play Store called Trading Technicals. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, cheers.